Hi guys, good morning. Piotr here, 15th of May 2017. Europe is already open for 8 minutes. What we are gonna to do, we are gonna to discuss euro dollar. So quick overview, but before we start, risk warning guys, trading effects on margin carries a high level of risk and may not be suitable for all investors. You can sustain a loss of some or all of your initial investment, so please do not invest the money that you cannot afford to lose. Seek education, gain experience before risking real money. However, past performance doesn't guarantee future results. Alright, so guys, just briefly, because yeah, we published euro dollar charts on Twitter. We were discussing euro dollar a few times already, so let's start with daily. There is a rising trend line, right, connected to the higher highs, and when we hit first time the line, I mentioned on Twitter, not only on Twitter, I mentioned that it was too precise. The touch was too precise. So if you are a seller, then you are looking for stop hunting, right? And it happened after the second round in French election, and you were looking for some sign of the weakness on shorter time frame. And if you remember, I published possible entries, short entries on euro dollar, right? So based on this daily chart right now, what's going on? Generally, bears are looking for this possible head and shoulders, right? But of course, here in Land of Trading, we are trying to get an edge and have an edge when we are trading currencies. So in that case, of course, we are not gonna wait for a neckline break. Okay, what we are gonna to do, we are gonna to watch market around the current levels, and we are gonna to try to take the advantage on the smaller time frames if we are gonna to see supply coming into the market on an intraday basis. All right. So that's the possible bear scenario. Okay, so what about the bulls? So what about the possible higher prices? So if you are looking for a higher prices, then definitely you wanna see daily close. That's the first bullish scenario. You wanna see the close above this rising trend line, right? Then you wanna see 2 or 3 tests. You wanna see again market holds that level, and you wanna see continuation to the upside. And the continuation to the upside, that could be the top of the weekly range, something around 1450, 1500. Okay. Another bullish scenario, if we are gonna to see this head and shoulder to happen, the possible target is this gap after the first round of the French election. Okay, and that's where I would expect bulls stepped in. For now, I would like to say that based on this higher time frame, based on this daily, looks like the bulls got a little more chance to push the prices higher. All right, medium term, we would like to see prices below 106, even better below 105, to see possibilities or renew parity. For now, guys, medium term looks like there is a possibility of higher prices. Of course, it's not gonna happen overnight, all right, but be careful. So let's have a look on an intraday basis. On an intraday basis, that's what we are looking for. And again, similar story, shorter time frame, possible head and shoulders, and that's what bears are looking for. Okay, but unfortunately I don't have a great news for many of you. As I mentioned a second ago, we are here in the land of trading. We are going to watch what's going on around this level to look for possible short entry. But the problem if you are looking for a bigger move to the downside, that could be the problem. The problem is that if that's the possible right shoulder, right? So what you don't want to see is potential megaphone formation on the right shoulder. In that case, there is a huge probability we are not gonna to see big move to the downside. Okay, here we go. So that's the possible megaphone formation. So let's try to have a look what we have on the smaller time frame. Here we may look for again some double top or head and shoulders formation, but again here in land of trading we are trying to trade it a different way. So if we are gonna to see the failure around 945, 960, all right, we are gonna to look for intraday supply pattern, and then we will try to join the short side. The possible target is 108.90, 108.80, and that's where, in our opinion, we should get an answer in the short term about the possible direction, right? Why? Because what we may see is a just pullback towards 890, 880, and then strong move to the upside. Bulls intraday, from intraday perspective, short term, they need to close below 880, 860. Okay, and open the way towards 740. Okay, so that's how it looks based on our analysis. Feel free to send an email to us if you have any questions. Feel free to ask us on Twitter if you have any questions. My name is Piotr. That was a quick euro-dollar overview. Don't be trapped and take care. Have a good day. Cheers. Bye.